Amazing excavators and heavy equipment synthetic.
Backhoe loader.
The backhoe is a versatile construction machine featuring a digging bucket on the back and a loader bucket on the front. It is used for excavation, trenching, and material handling tasks.
Long-reach excavator.
A long-reach excavator features an extended boom and arm configuration, enabling it to reach further distances and depths than standard excavators. This design makes it perfect for precision excavation and dredging in challenging areas like deep trenches, rivers, and canals. Equipped with specialized attachments such as buckets and grabs, it efficiently removes sediment and debris from water bodies, ensuring navigational safety and environmental preservation. Its versatility makes it indispensable for tasks ranging from construction and infrastructure projects to environmental cleanup and shoreline restoration, providing robust performance in diverse environmental conditions.
Excavator straddle carrier.
The excavator straddle carrier is a type of heavy-duty vehicle used for lifting and transporting large containers and materials.
Excavator wrecking ball.
Excavator wrecking ball stands as a formidable machine in the realm of demolition, featuring a heavy wrecking ball affixed to its arm. This specialized configuration empowers it to dismantle robust structures such as buildings, bridges, and concrete walls with remarkable precision and force. Harnessing the wrecking ball's substantial weight and controlled swinging motion, this excavator delivers powerful impacts, ensuring effective demolition while minimizing collateral damage. Its sturdy design guarantees stability and safety throughout operations, making it an indispensable choice for projects demanding efficient and precise demolition of large-scale structures.
Excavator mulcher.
The excavator mulcher is an attachment for excavators designed to grind and shred vegetation, including trees, branches, and brush. It is used for land clearing, vegetation management, and maintaining right-of-ways.
Skidder.
A skidder is a specialized forestry vehicle used to haul logs from forests to designated areas. It is equipped with large wheels or tracks for navigating rough terrain and dense vegetation. Skidders feature winches and grapples that grab, lift, and drag logs efficiently, reducing manual labor and environmental impact in timber harvesting. They play a crucial role in forestry operations by ensuring efficient logging practices and sustainable forest management.
Excavator Demolition.
The excavator Demolition is a specialized excavator equipped with attachments designed for demolishing structures. It may include hydraulic shears, crushers, and pulverizers to efficiently dismantle buildings and other constructions.
Amphibious excavator.
An amphibious excavator is designed with a floating undercarriage, equipped with pontoons that allow it to float and move easily in flooded areas. Its extended boom and arm enable the excavator to dig deeper and farther from the shore, while the wide tracks help distribute weight, reducing ground pressure and preventing sinking. With this special design, an amphibious excavator can perform tasks such as dredging, constructing bridges and dams, and maintaining flood control systems. Its ability to operate in complex environments makes it an indispensable tool for environmental protection and restoration, enhancing work efficiency and minimizing negative impacts on the surrounding environment.
Materials.
Excavator mulcher.
The excavator mulcher is an attachment for excavators designed to grind and shred vegetation, including trees, branches, and brush. It is used for land clearing, vegetation management, and maintaining right-of-ways.
Crane truck.
A crane truck, or truck-mounted crane, combines the functionality of a truck with a hydraulic-powered crane. It is used across industries for lifting and transporting heavy loads with precision and efficiency, equipped with telescopic booms or articulated arms. It reaches heights and distances necessary for construction, logistics, and emergency operations. Stabilizers ensure stability during lifting, making the crane truck essential for versatile and safe material handling in diverse environments.
Asphalt sprayer truck.
The asphalt sprayer truck is a vehicle used for applying a layer of asphalt or tar on roads and pavements. It features a spray system that evenly distributes the asphalt over the surface, ensuring a smooth and durable road finish.
Pile driver.
A pile driver is a specialized construction machine used to drive piles into the ground for building foundations, bridges, and docks. It employs hydraulic or diesel-powered mechanisms to lift and release a heavy hammer onto the pile with great force, ensuring stability and structural integrity. Pile drivers come in various types, such as diesel, vibratory, and hydraulic hammers, tailored to different ground conditions and project needs. They are essential for large-scale construction and civil engineering projects globally.
Hitachi X5600 mining excavator.
The Hitachi EX5600 is a large hydraulic excavator designed for heavy-duty digging and mining tasks. It features a powerful engine, extensive reach, and a large bucket capacity, making it suitable for large-scale excavation and material handling projects. Material handling tasks.
Zoomlion crane.
The Zoomlion mobile crane is a versatile crane mounted on a wheeled chassis manufactured by Zoomlion.
Feller Buncher excavator.
The forest harvester is a specialized machine designed for cutting, processing, and harvesting trees in forests. It combines several functions, including felling trees, delimbing, and cutting logs into specified lengths. Road finish.
Excavator clamshell.
The excavator clamshell is a versatile piece of heavy machinery used in various industries for handling bulk materials.
Haul truck.
The haul truck is a large, heavy-duty vehicle used primarily in mining, quarrying, and construction to transport large quantities of loose materials such as soil, sand, gravel, ore, and demolition debris.
Mini excavator.
The mini excavator is a compact version of a standard excavator designed for tasks in confined spaces.
Road roller.
A road roller, also known as a roller compactor, is essential for compacting surfaces like roads and pavements. It uses heavy cylindrical drums to compress materials, ensuring durability and stability in construction projects. With varying drum configurations, it effectively compacts asphalt, soil, and aggregates, preventing cracks and creating smooth driving surfaces. Its robust design and powerful operation make it indispensable for preparing foundations and stabilizing terrain, playing a crucial role in building reliable transportation networks worldwide.